Jesus, dude. Good gosh. Looking at the fire and then feeling how hot my hands are. I'm like, oh, my hands are on fire.
Left or right?
I don't know. I don't know.
I don't know either.
Let's go this way. Let's go left. Maybe? This? Yeah, now let's turn right up here. Oh yeah, this is the YMCA camp. This may have been where the fire started.
Searching for the blaze.
Searching for the blaze.
Do you like my military tan motorcycle?
I love it. I love it. So,
oh, you can smell it really good coming down through here.
oh,
There it is, look.
It's huge. There's two of them. Alright, looks like we can go down this road for a little ways. This should get us close.
I keep forgetting you got that fancy screen that shows you the road.
Well, I mean, it's just like having your phone up with your maps open. I think they're doing what we're doing.
Is it Maps or Google Maps?
Oh, I'm using maps.
Oh, okay.
You can use Google Maps and you can use Scenic. Look at that monstrous house up there. Just like, oh, do. Alright, let's follow this guy. Let's see where he's going.
Looks like he's trying to find it too. If we get close enough, I'm going to start sweating with all my thermal on.
Oh, no. This may be the wrong way. Like, in terms of, like, getting closer to it. We may need to go back and take the next road. Yeah, we're going to have to go back and take the next road.
Well, let's just turn around now then.
Yeah. Let's turn around up here. I'll turn on the left right here. Oh, wait, where? Oh, no, this is going to go away from it. There's a culvert right here. Just be careful.
Suzuki Thunder!
Yeah! Alright, we're just straight. I can't see straight where right goes too far, so we're gonna go this way.
Okay.
This should take us pretty good.
God, we're going towards it now!
Yeah! You want to stop and get a picture?
I mean, I got my GoPro going.
Oh, okay. I want to grab a picture real quick. Jesus Christ. Damn, one wheel deal.
Dude, it's rolling, man. Look at that.
That wind is not helping.
Oh, no.
Alright, we can turn right up here. That's where we're gonna follow. I bet that's where this dude's dealing too. Jesus, dude. I'm gonna stop up there and take another picture. I'm gonna stop right here.
Yeah.
What gear am I in? Third to neutral. Okay. Because we're gonna get on that road right there. That cool ass cabin. They got a great view of the fire. Yeah, I mean, shit, we may not get miles in today, but we're chasing a fire.
Hey man, any little bit of riding was good to get out and do.
Yes, sir. This takes my mind off of being cold, dude. Like, oh man, let's get the fire.
Oh, I'm pretty comfortable right now.
Oh yeah.
It'll probably be really chilly on the parkway.
Oh god, yeah. Probably be ice up there. Right, Jesus, in my rearview mirror, all I see is you and just fucking smoke. Looks like you live in a Snoop Dogg concert.
Does it look like I'm vaping?
Yeah. You get it, bro. You drive a WX.
Which road are we going to?
We're gonna go up here to 66 and turn left.
Oh, did you find another road that gets closer or something?
Yeah. Road called Sauratown Mountain Road. Oh. Jesus Christ, dude. Nobody can drive today. This dude is halfway in this lane. Oh, there's our turn. That one says dead end. Well, that's about right, I guess. Let me make sure no one's coming. Oh, yeah, there's the other road. Yeah, I can see.
Oh, so we're right turning here?
Yeah, you're right. But the road fucking is right there. Like, this road just goes right there. This is a dead end, but this should take us... This might be the one that goes up the mountain. I don't think so, though. I don't know, we're going up. Looks like a nuclear blast went off.
Dude, look at that cloud, man.
Jeez.
Smoke cloud, that's crazy.
Yeah, we're definitely going higher.
Yeah.
Higher, higher.
I can feel it. Temperature changing a little bit.
Let's get it, dude.
There's a news truck.
Yeah. Like, that's really them. I thought it was just a truck that somebody bought was sitting there, but that thing looked too new. Look at that house.
That's a nice house. Looks like it's got a wraparound porch, John.
Hell yeah, man. It's my jollies going. Look at this house. Beautiful little small home.
Dude, that house is huge.
Yeah, they got a huge fire behind them. Oh, hello, curve. Jesus.
This road might dead end, but it dead ends in 25 miles. I've never seen a long ass road with a dead end sign at the beginning of it.
Yeah, no shit. Okay. Okay, cool. Just take your time.
Yeah, you're the only ones on the road.
We've arrived at the destination. Holy shit, look at this view!
I can't believe we've never been up here before.
I know!
We gotta bring Jason up here.
Right? Damn, look at hanging rock too, shit!
Look at that house on the mountain.
Good God, slow it down. Fucking look. What a view, though, man. Oh, yeah, that's the top.
Yeah, look at the smoke. Wow. The smoke is so thick, man. Oh, it's burned all this right here.
Look at this house. Look at their view.
Wow. Dude, it's burned right there.
They, I think they pre-burned it.
Oh, so it wouldn't catch?
Yeah, so it can't burn what's already burnt.
And these places up in here are nice.
Yeah, there's a fence. It's a big ass fence.
Oh, my ears are popping.
Oh,
Oh, we're almost to the end.
yeah. the
Fire
gate's
department's up here.
open. Of course. Park at any time. Well, we're gonna turn around in that no parking anytime area. There's nobody here. Wow.
I think that's about as close as we can get to it.
Yeah. I mean, it's right below us. We just can't see it or nothing. Like, dude, all these trucks. Like, I wonder if they just walked. Because, like, all these trucks are, like, windows down, running.
Yeah, they have to have just walked to the fire or walked to where they can see it.
Yeah, look at all this burnt shit.
Yeah.
They may have made it up this far and they just
Got it put out, maybe? Because it was near all the houses?
Maybe. Good God, what a view, though. I'm going to stop right here.
This little house? Or
It's like a
shed or power station?
Yeah, do not touch that fucking tower, man.
Okay. I wasn't going to.
No, I mean, like, if that's an AM tower... Oh, no trespassing. Okay, never mind.
Cameras in use.
But, an AM tower is electrically charged. So, like, you touch it, you get fucking electrocuted.
Still crazy view, though.
Still a crazy ass view. There's the fucking stacks at Blues Lake. Shit, let's stop here.
North Carolina Forest Service.
You're being videoed, private property, get out. Maybe we shouldn't stop here.
Oh, we're just looking.
All this shit burned.
Yeah, I see that. That's crazy.
For crazy.
Oh.
What? You stalled.
I did.
You stalled while moving.
There we go.
Oh, yeah.
No, I didn't. Whenever I didn't gear down when I stopped, so I tried to take off in like 6th.
Oh, damn.
That's why it cut off. That's pretty sweet, though. That view. The fire sucks, but the view is awesome.